In the ever-evolving world of technology and software development, learning multiple programming languages can significantly enhance your versatility and employability. While there are countless programming languages to choose from, here are 3 that are particularly valuable and widely used in various domains. Python, the Swiss Army knife of programming. Python is often praised as one of the most versatile and beginner-friendly programming languages available. Its simplicity, readability, and extensive libraries make it an excellent choice for both newcomers and experienced developers. Here's why you should consider learning Python. Ease of learning. Python's clear and concise syntax resembles the English language, making it accessible to beginners. Learning Python is often described as a gentle introduction to programming. Versatility. Python is a general-purpose language used in web development, data analysis, machine learning, scientific computing, and more. It has a vast ecosystem of libraries and frameworks like Django, Flask, NumPy, and TensorFlow. Community and resources. Python has a thriving community that provides ample documentation, tutorials, and support. This makes it easy to find help and resources when learning or working with the language. High demand. Python's popularity continues to grow, leading to a high demand for Python developers across various industries. Proficiency in Python can open doors to a wide range of job opportunities. JavaScript, the language of the web. JavaScript is the backbone of web development, enabling dynamic and interactive web pages. It's a must-learn language for anyone interested in front-end or full-stack web development. Here's why JavaScript is essential. Web development. JavaScript is the de facto language for client-side web development. It allows developers to create responsive, interactive web applications. Frameworks and libraries. JavaScript has a vast ecosystem of frameworks and libraries, such as React, Angular, and Vue.js, which streamline web development and enhance user experiences. Full-stack development. JavaScript can also be used on the server side with technologies like Node.js, enabling developers to work on both front-end and back-end components of web applications. Cross-platform development. JavaScript can be used for mobile app development with frameworks like React Native and Apache Cordova, enabling cross-platform app development. Java, the stalwart of enterprise software. Java has been a dominant force in enterprise software development for decades. It's known for its portability, scalability, and reliability, making it a crucial language in various industries. Here's why Java is a must-learn language. Platform independence. Java's "write once, run anywhere" philosophy allows applications developed in Java to be executed on multiple platforms without modification. Large community. Java boasts a large and active community of developers and a wealth of libraries and frameworks, such as Spring and Hibernate, for building enterprise-grade applications. Security. Java's security features make it a preferred choice for developing secure applications, particularly in finance, healthcare, and other industries with stringent security requirements. Job opportunities. Java remains in high demand for enterprise development roles, and proficiency in Java can lead to well-paying jobs in various sectors. While these 3 programming languages are highly recommended, the choice of which languages to learn ultimately depends on your career goals, interests, and the specific domain you wish to pursue. However, acquiring proficiency in Python, JavaScript, and Java will undoubtedly equip you with valuable skills and open doors to a wide range of opportunities in the ever-expanding world of programming and software development.